Hi traders, welcome to our second daily euro dollar trade. Just a quick wrap up of the trade today. We had two short positions, both of which hit profit targets. Our first target bagged us 18 pips. At that point we moved to break even and we bagged a further 34 pips. And what I've done here is I've just created a little tally. I'm going to keep this on the left hand side so that we can just very quickly update and track our progress as the days and weeks and months progress. So there we go, that's where we're at. Now what we're looking at here, this is again the euro dollar 1 hour, and what you can see is that price has been moving down quite nicely throughout the whole day, and then we had the FOMC statement came out about an hour ago, and you can see our price has really rocketed up here on the euro. I'm just going to quickly measure that. Let's have a quick look. It's about a 60 pip move, and I think what is quite likely to happen, of course it's not confirmed, but I think what is quite likely to happen is I think we're going to see price come back to more or less where we started the day. In other words, we're going to end up with a day, if you were looking at some sort of daily candle, you're going to have a body in this area here and you're going to have a wick down here, but you're not going to have a lot of real movement from open to close. So if you contrast that with yesterday, we had an open around about here, and we had the close all the way up here. We had a nice move that we could certainly look to trade off, which is what we successfully did. Now today, what we've seen and what we're probably going to see, we've obviously got a few hours left, is we're going to see this very constricted absolute move. All right, a lot of wick, but we're not going to see a very big difference between the open and the close, and that's something that we are looking for when we are taking daily trades. What this means is that we are probably not going to be taking a position tomorrow. I will update this and I will upload a new video if that situation changes. All right, so I'll have a look at the closing price, potentially the first couple of hours of the Asian session, and we'll see if that makes any sort of difference, but it seems quite likely that tomorrow we will not have a trade. So that's where we are at. Any questions, please let me know.